Hey, what's up guys? Chip Walters here, and I want to talk about how to debug and install SKETCHSTYLE on a Macintosh. And there are some permissions on different Macintoshes, and it's hard to figure out exactly what's going on. If the new version of SKETCHSTYLE mac.zip works for you, you have nothing to worry about. And basically you figure that out by clicking on the SKETCHSTYLE plugin, click on the sketch button, and if it goes to the long menu, it's working. So let's go ahead and see an example of it not working. So here's my DMG. If it's not working, what I like to do is I'll take the Blender file and I'll drag it to the desktop, just like that. Let it install. Over here is a SKETCHSTYLE add-on that we downloaded. I'm going to launch Blender, and I'll go into Edit, Preferences, Install, and now I'll go to the desktop, and there's my add-on. I'll install the add-on, and we're going to see here that the add-on is installed. So that's great. So when I hit this button, it should show us a long menu here. This area right here will grow, but it doesn't. That's because there's a permissions problem. So let's figure out how to fix that. So the way we do that is we right-click on Blender, and we say Show Package Contents. And we go into Contents, and we go into Mac OS, and we take this Blender and we say Make an Alias, and I'm going to drag that to the desktop. Okay, so now instead of running from here, I'm going to run from here. I'll double click on it. It's going to run it just like this. And now we'll go in and we'll see that it's already installed, which is great. And then we'll go over here, and now we just click on SKETCHSTYLE and we click on Sketch, and we're good to go. If I want, I can hit F12 now, and I will get a SKETCHSTYLE render. And there we have it. So I hope this workflow isn't too cumbersome. We'll be working on more ways to deal with permissions, but for now, this is how it works. Thanks a lot. See you online.